Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, January 13th. The essay from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo that I'm going to read for you today is titled, What is Not Expressed. What is not expressed is depressed. It seems that the more we express, that is, bring out what is in, the more alive we are. The more we give voice to our pain and living, the less build-up we have between our soul and our way in the world. However, the more we depress, the more we push down and keep in, the smaller we become. The more we stuff between our heart and our daily experience, the more we have to work through to feel life directly. Our expressed life can become a callus we carry around and manicure, but never remove. Experience can in effect lose its essential tenderness and poignancy as we mistakenly conclude that life is losing its meaning. To a man unaware of the cataracts filming his eyes, the world seems dimmer, not his seeing. How often do we find the world stimulating, unaware that our heart is diminished because of its encasement in all that remains unexpressed? Let me give you a personal example. I have, for many reasons, including issues of my own making, forever felt invisible in family or group settings. Initially, this stemmed from fearfully pleasing a self-centered mother at all costs. It led to years of unexpressed hurts and rejections that accrued into a callus that guarded the heart within my heart. I am and have always been a very open and emotionally accessible person, but at a certain depth, my core could not be touched. Though this started with mother, it affected the level at which I could relate with anyone. And eventually, this was not enough. I realized the world was not losing color, but that I was screaming the deepest emotional colors out. That I stated this so calmly now and clearly in one sentence hardly reflects the difficult and slow, elusive way this awareness paved itself into my daily consciousness. Rather, it emerged on me gradually as I tried to acknowledge and voice the feelings of invisibility I have carried all my life. Whatever your example, it seems our authenticity is tied to what is depressed and what is expressed. Just as flowers need healthy root systems in order to blossom, feelings can only express their beauty if they are rooted cleanly within us, breaking ground in some manner, sprouting outside us. It is that delicate, paradoxical inch of ground between surface and deep, between flower and root, between what's allowed and what is not allowed, that continually determines whether we are living our lives or not. That's an interesting reflection, isn't it? So let's do a practice around it. Take a comfortable position and, as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Nice and soft breath, finding some spaciousness in your breathing so that all the experiences of the present moment can flow through you as energy that they are. Now take a moment to recall the last time you felt depressed. Look inside and see if there is anything lodged or pressing there against your mind or heart. It might be a disappointment or injury that you don't want to accept about yourself or others. Treat whatever you find like a splinter and soften yourself with the slowness of your breathing so that the splinter can be removed. As you find the spaciousness in your breath, remind yourself that you are larger, you are bigger than this hurt pressing in on you. Now place your hands on your heart and thank yourself for this exercise today. Send yourself the energy of gratitude and loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel protected, cared for, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And now, as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and, as always, notice what's going on for you right now. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue reflecting around this. What in you is wanting to be expressed, but you are not letting yourself do it? Is this thought or experience or memory lodged against your heart or mind, making you depressed, making you see the world in dimmer colors? Can you gently loosen the ground around the splinter and remove it? As always, no judgment, just open awareness and compassion. Enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.